Hello everyone, welcome back to our Oracle SQL tutorial series. In this video, we will learn about characteristic and dates in where clause, how Oracle handle text values and date values, and why single quotation marks are important. Let's understand it step by step with practical example. Characteristic in SQL. In Oracle SQL, characteristic must be enclosed inside single quotation marks. They are case sensitive. Let's see an example. Here, Wallen is enclosed in single quotation marks because it is a text value. Here, important point is if you write where last name equal to Wallen in uppercase, it may return no rows because Oracle treat text as a case sensitive. Even if the name exists but case does not match, the result will be empty. So first I execute this code. Yes, here I can see the value is Wallen, and here I can see the Wallen is init cap. So if I write in Wallen in uppercase, the WALEN, Wallen in uppercase, it will return no rows because it's case sensitive. Actually, this is the characteristic in SQL. So part 2, date in SQL. In Oracle, date values must also be enclosed in single quotation marks. Dates are format sensitive, default format DD-MON-RR. We can go in example here. Select last name from employees where hire date 17 October 2003. So this is our example 17 October 03. So it is actually format sensitive. It is the DD-MON-RR format. It is the format of Oracle default format. Oracle store date internally in numeric format but display them in readable format. So it's actually important concept here. Oracle store date values with century, year, month, date, hour, minute and second. So finally we could understand with this example that text values and date values are enclosed in single quotation marks. Character values always use single quotes, date values always use single quote, and number do not require single quotation. Thank you viewers. Please like, share and subscribe this channel for getting new videos.